Introducing the 1970 Chevy C10. The classic truck that has just received some serious upgrades, thanks to a brand new sound system. This truck now sounds better than ever, with the latest technologies at your fingertips. You can now enjoy all your favorite tunes in style. But that's not all. This car has also been fitted with a top-of-the-range car alarm and upgraded power door locks and windows kit. To provide maximum convenience, with all these features installed, you can now sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride as you cruise down the road in luxury. Trust us, this car is a masterclass in both style and functionality, and is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Come and experience the power of the 1970 Chevy C10 for yourself. We promise you won't be disappointed.